Go.
Hi, this is what I'm going to teach you to make. This is the first step. Turn the corner like this and do the same to the other side. Okay, now you see an X. Turn it around, turn this back, and turn it back around. Push this up, push it down,
Yep.
like that.
Excellent.
Turn it backwards. Do that. Now that. You made this. And now you're going to turn that up there. And that. And then that down here. And then it's going to sort of look like this. You're going to pull these two flaps up. And there you go.
Sweet. We'll download the diagram later. Give it a whirl. Excellent.